Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a couple of different blow dries using the new attachments that come with the Remington AIR3D Plus hairdryer. I'm using the wide tooth comb concentrator. It's helping me to dry the hair without using a brush. The curling concentrator fits perfectly around a brush to create a bouncy blow dry with great curl. This diffuser evenly distributes the air to help you create more natural curl and boost volume. With the added width of this concentrator, it enables you to create more of a sleek, straight finish. Now using the cool air, the wide tooth comb concentrator is going to help me to smooth down any flyaways and frizz. Now you can see why I love using the new Remington AIR3D Plus hairdryer. The curling concentrator helps you create a beautiful bouncy blow dry. The diffuser helps you to create more of that beachy textured look, and the extra wide slim concentrator for more sophisticated sleek look.